Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your Windows PC or Mac using Adobe's official free trial. To get started, click the first link in the description below. It will take you to Adobe's official website. Select your country and click Start Free Trial. Next, you'll see three plan options: Individual, Business, and Students and Teachers. If you're using Premiere Pro for personal use, choose the Individual plan. If you're purchasing it for a team or multiple users, you can choose the Business plan instead. The Individual plan includes a 14-day free trial of Adobe Premiere Pro and a 30-day free trial of Adobe Stock. After selecting your preferred plan, click Continue. Enter your email address and continue to the next step. Then fill in the required information, including your payment details. Adobe asks for a payment method to activate the free trial, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial period ends. Next, click Agree and Subscribe, then create a password to complete your Adobe account setup. Now, open the second link in the description and download the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. Install it on your computer, then sign in using the same Adobe account you just created. After signing in, open the Apps tab. Locate Adobe Premiere Pro and click Install. Wait for the installation to complete, and you're all set to start creating and editing videos. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.